Hi guys, it's Kaylee here.
No, up here, where I showed you, right in there.
Right here?
Yep. There you go. Pull it toward you. Just pull it toward you.
We are opening an Amazon box. Trying to.
There you go. Now pull it toward you.
Almost got this end open, I hope.
You're doing it the wrong way. Pull it, just hold it like this. You're making it hard. Hold it straight, baby. Hold it straight. Put it in there, hold it straight. Put it in there, now just pull it. Hold it straight. Pull it. There you go. Pull it straight. You're going upwards with it. You're not holding it straight. Turn it. Now go right across there. Yeah, there you go. Right across there. Now pop the top off. Hold the end. Hold both ends on one with the edge.
And inside we have toys. We'll check this out first. Oh! It's a Schleich dog. It's a chocolate lab. Hard to open. Let me know in the comments down below what we should name this cute little puppy, or this cute little dog.
Hold it up here. Yep.
Isn't she sweet? If it's a little girl. Later on I'll clip that tag on her leg. There's nothing else in the box. That's the only two things I bought. This is the Barbie Ken dog trainer set. When a girl plays with Barbie, she imagines everything she can become. Dog trainers teach dogs special skills and behaviors like obedience. They can teach pet tricks and even how to get along with other dogs. Some train dogs to be service animals and police dogs. Dog trainers are kind, gentle, and very patient. Do you love to work with dogs? You can be a dog trainer. That's the front, and then that's the back. I don't think we're going to need any scissors or knives for this. That didn't work. There we go.
Now just hold it up here so they can see it. So I can go.
So this is one of the dogs. And then there's one more dog somewhere right down here. Right where you press the same button to turn it on. There's a pause button. Press it.
Okay.